The following visualizations were made using Bokeh. They can be called using a Bokeh serve application and embedded into any website. First off is a map-based visualization of the vehicle traffic. Here we see the hourly vehicle traffic of a certain street changing by dragging a hour slider. We pick the date using the date picker, and the image on the right shows the total vehicle daily count for the date selected. In the second visualization, we see the hourly vehicle traffic represented as a bar plot with an overlaid line plot. The red dots indicate those hours of peak nighttime vehicle traffic where we run the streetlights at full brightness. The green dots indicate those hours when we dim the streetlights because of low vehicle traffic. The final plot shows the energy consumption by implementing the energy savings resulting from dimming any number of streetlights in a street at a set dimming factor compared to the normal scenario where the streetlights are at full brightness throughout the entire night. You can also see all of these bokeh plots along with the code and explanations in a Jupyter notebook. All of this can be run locally or from a Python web server supporting Bokeh.